कौन है?
Starting off, a unique divergent among the film genre.
स्वाति,
It has a recognizable pattern and a terrifying impact that captures the audience eye. Sometimes created distortion to eyes and an unforgettable look. Watching horror films is about entering to a scary world and realizing the essence of fear itself without actually being in danger. But the horror tapped within the man itself.
ये क्या कर रहा है कल्लू? चौंक गया? अपने बचपन का नाम सुन के चौंक गया?
Welcome to Media Hits, and today's countdown is for the top 10 Bollywood horror films of all the time.
क्या हुआ दीदी? पागल हो गई है क्या? दरवाजा क्यों तोड़ रही थी? दीदी, वो चाबी लॉक में अटक रही थी। बेल नहीं बजा सकती थी? वो थैली भूल गई थी किचन में।
On number 10, Dar, The Mall.
Who's that? Excuse me. कौन है?
It's easy to figure out what director Pawan Kriplani's latest offering is all about just by the title of his film.
देखिए सुनिए, इसे एक एक्सीडेंट समझने की गलती मत कीजिए। पिछले 1 घंटे में इस परिवार के 3 लोग मारे गए हैं। मैंने लाशों को देखा है और मुझे नहीं लगता ये किसी इंसान का काम है।
Yes, it's about a haunted mall which is apparently the largest one in the Asia. There have been 9 accidental deaths in the mall and the owner are sick of those stories about the mall being haunted. On number 9, Raz, The Mystery Continues. Raz, The Mystery Continues is a 2009 Indian supernatural horror film directed by Mohit Suri.
आपके साथ एक बुरा हादसा होने वाला है। क्या आप भूत प्रेत में विश्वास करती हैं?
Starring Imran Hashmi and Kangana Ranaut. The film is second film in the Raz series, but story-wise, it is not a direct sequel to the 2002 film Raz. The film deals with issue of evil within and how it manifests itself. It is based on the myths and the superstitions that are still widely exist in the Indian contemporary society. The film attempts to challenge one's belief about paranormal phenomena. Imran Hashmi plays a painter named Rathvi who has an extraordinary gift. His painting tells Nandita future. On number 8, Haunted. The plot is set on the ancient premises of a haunted mansion in a scheduled hill station, which real estate broker Rehan has come to sell off. Caretaker Ramu Kaka is substituted by a rat-picker replacement whose first word on seeing Rehan is "तूने बहुत देर कर दी आने में बेटा." From flickering lights, cracking doors, falling chandeliers, old photo frame, rustic piano, hanging cadavers, shrill screams to an inviting song.
सिर्फ ये कहने आया हूं, जो मैं जिंदा रह के नहीं कर सका, वो मरने के बाद जरूर करूंगा।
On number 7, डरना मना है।
यार यहाँ पे कोई तो कमरा होगा जहाँ पे मैं सिगरेट पी सकता हूँ।
क्या है ना, पूरा होटल नो स्मोकिंग होटल है ना सर? ग्रेट।
Only Ram Gopal Verma can make Apple look scary. This flick by RGV featured in this list, not because it is scary, but because of its innovative script.
पर अभी तो आपने You just told me. आप ही तो कह रहे थे कि 10 दिन पहले उसकी मौत हुई।
उसकी नहीं, मेरी।
क्या?
तुम समझे नहीं। मौत मेरी हुई है।
Ram Gopal Verma packs in 6 of the most short creative stories in one movie, each with outrageous twists. No wonder they call him a maverick.
आखिरी बचा है, मुफ्त में दे दूंगा।
On number 6, 1920.
4 दिन, बस 4 दिन और इसके बाद ये शरीर मेरे किसी काम का नहीं रहेगा। अमावस की रात उस लड़की की आत्मा शरीर को छोड़ देगी और मैं उसे अपने साथ ले जाऊंगा। 4 दिन बाद।
Royal Deserted Mansion, a mysterious caretaker and a newlywed couple. This movie abounds in every cliché expected of a horror film, but what sets it apart from others is the sheer artist finesse with which the frames have been done. Chills guaranteed. Watch the movie and have fun.
तू पकड़ा नहीं गया तो क्या हुआ? तूने भी तो अपने बड़े साहब की बेटी के साथ ऐसा ही किया था। चेकअप के बहाने उसे यहां लाया था और फिर यहीं इसी बिस्तर पे बेहोशी का इंजेक्शन देके।
On number 5, Bhoot. The film storyline center a young couple Vishal Ajay Devgan and Swati Urmila Matondkar who buy a new apartment in Mumbai, but the apartment has a horrifying past as previous resident of apartment committed suicide after killing her son. And Swati learns about this incident shortly after moving. Afterwards, Swati seen as possessed with near madness, abnormal behavior, and now the mystery started around them. On number 4, Raz. Raz is an excellent horror thriller. It features Vipasha Basu and Dinu Moria as a couple who moved to Ooty to save their crumbling marriage, where they found the spirit is haunting the place. And now the story begins. Till the end, it not lost its grips. Songs of the film are melodious.
वो कहीं नहीं जा पाएंगे।
जी?
वो शक्ति जब तक अपने इरादे में कामयाब नहीं हो जाती, वो संजना को मुंबई तो क्या इस शहर की सीमा से भी बाहर नहीं निकलने देगी।
On number 3, 13B. "13B", a blend of frightening story and adequate direction. It features Madhavan Manohar in lead role, who does full justice to his role.
Come on. कौन है तू? Come on. Show me. Show me.
Madhavan is a civil engineer who lived in joint family, and they buy an expensive apartment named 13B and started living in it. But gradually uneasy things started happening to them, and he found that there is one TV serial called Subcarrier that played every day, and whatever happened in that serials come true in their lives. Now he started exploring the things and realized that some spirit are trying to make a contact with him through TV. First half of the film is boring, while the second half has the grip gripping as the story unfolds in an interesting manner.
डॉक्टर शिंदे? हेलो?
मनोहर, चौंक गए क्या? पता है इस जनरेशन में अगर हम मर जाएं और हमारी आत्मा को असली दुनिया से संपर्क करना हो तो हम टीवी नहीं, मोबाइल फोन्स का इस्तेमाल करेंगे। और सब खैरियत।
On number 2, रात।
मिनी?
Raat is considered to be one of the finest film RGV has made. It is a supernatural thriller that doesn't go over the top with the nuance of a horror film.
अगर मेरी बेटी से मिलना है तो वो हॉस्पिटल में है।
समस्या आपकी बेटी में नहीं, इस घर में है।
The plot is set into a motion where a kitten is killed and the leading lady is possessed with its spirit. After you watch this cult classics, you will never look at the cats the same way.
रश्मि, ये क्या हो गया तुझे?
On number 1, भूल भुलैया।
अरे किस बात का शोर है? क्या हुआ क्या? कुछ अजीबोगरीब हरकतें हो रही हैं। कोई घिनौना खिलवाड़ कर रहा है। हुआ क्या? कुछ नहीं, मैं वहां पे
बद्री जी, नौकरानी ने किचन में महल की भूतनी देखी थी वहां पे।
Priyadarshan Venture. Bhool Bhulaiya is a comic thriller and has a finest script. It features Siddharth, Shaini Ahuja and Amni Vidya Balan as a couple who return to their village after living in the US for a long time. And they're supposed to live in his ancestral place which has been uninhabited as it is considered to be haunted. And now the mystery begins.
बोलो, आप क्या बोलना चाहते हो?
महल का असली भूत कोई और नहीं, तुम्हारी बीवी है।
What nonsense? क्या बकवास कर रहे हो?
The first half of the film revolves around the supporting cast. The lead role, Akshay Kumar, takes the movie to a different level. It has adequate amount of comedy, thriller and suspense. Overall, it is a brilliant comic timing and has best performance. It is a must watch.
मैं राजा विभूति नारायण।
खोल दरवाजा, खोल खोल दरवाजा।
कौन है तू?
कमीने, मुझसे पूछ रहा है मैं कौन हूँ? मैं मंजुलिका।
Now this time listing is done, and if you like this film genre, you can go with this time countdown. If you like this video, please hit on like button, and for more videos and update, please subscribe to our channel Media Hits.
डॉक्टर बताइए मुझे, क्या मेरी पत्नी जिंदा रहेगी? डॉक्टर प्लीज बताइए, आप बोलते क्यों नहीं है? आप खामोश क्यों हैं? आपकी खामोशी से मुझे बहुत डर लग रहा है। डॉक्टर कुछ तो बोलिए, प्लीज बोलिए ना। आप बोलते क्यों नहीं है? डॉक्टर प्लीज कुछ तो बोलिए, कुछ तो बोलिए।
Come on, damn it!
हाँ? क्या मेरी पत्नी जिंदा रहेगी?